How to find coordinates in Lastvar. Go ahead to Lastvar and there go to the wall section. So once you're in the wall section, here you can see your best. So if you want to see your best coordinates, so you can see the coordinates that are right next to you or beside you. So here it reads x coordinate as 947 and y coordinate as 280, where you can simply go ahead and teleport. But if you want more precise coordinate, then simply go ahead to the base section, then go to the wall chat. From there you can go ahead and hit the plus icon, and then from there you can share your base coordinates. Simply press on the share my base coordinates. So once you go ahead and press on the send section, here you can see that commander, I'm currently in the coordinate that is 1769, x coordinate is 945 and y coordinate is 283. That is your current coordinate. So hopefully this video helps. Thank you.